How to convert Facebook account into professional account. So hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So first thing first, simply head over to your Facebook account, and once you're inside Facebook account, simply click on your profile section. Once you click on your profile section, simply head over to your main profile section, and as you can see there is a three dot option over here. You can simply click on it. Once you click on it, you will see the option called turn on professional mode. As you can see here, once you click on it, you simply need to turn it on like this and wait for some time, and you can simply click on next, and you can also choose the details, so custom like this, and simply click on next and just confirm. And as you can see, you can from here now you are eligible to monetize and get bonuses or stars from your audience. You can also view insights from the professional dashboard, and that's it guys. That's exactly how you can easily convert your normal Facebook page to professional page or like this. So I hope this video was helpful. If it was, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. See you in the next one.